Tired of your keyboard feeling too big or too small? In this video, I will show you how to quickly adjust your size of Google Keyboard to fit your style. Okay, to do this, make sure you are in the typing mode. This is what my Google Keyboard's layout looks like. Here, we need to press on the top left corner of the keyboard. Then here there are two things you can choose to change the keyboard size. The first is resize. You can change the size of the keyboard by dragging it at the top or bottom. Press down to save or press reset to return to the initial size. Next, you can select one-handed. Here you can flexibly resize, move it to right, left, or center. This will make typing with one hand more comfortable. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in another video.